And everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you the recipe to make the fluffiest pancakes ever, you guys. For this recipe, you do not need any expensive pancake mix. Yes, you heard that right. If you want to know how I did it, then just keep on watching. By the way, I would like to welcome you the first time of you clicking to watch my video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you do subscribe. And to my amazing returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So in a clean bowl, you're just going to sieve your all-purpose. Yes, guys, you always have to sieve your all-purpose flour. When you see these little ant looking things in the flour, you do not want to swallow that into your stomach. So please make sure that you sieve your all-purpose flour whenever you use it for any form of pastry or any batter at all. By the way, guys, I'd like to know what, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pancake making skills? For me, I would say I'm sitting on a 9 because you guys, I would hardly give anybody a 10. I am quite strict with rating, so I'll give myself, I think, between 8.5 and a 9. Yes, because I feel like, see, I'm willing to experiment more, and as I do, I'm going to be sharing with you. So let me know, what would you rate yourself when making pancakes? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Mind you guys, you might need to do this over a couple of times. Trust me, it doesn't mean you can get it right on the first try after watching this recipe, but you tend to see and find out that you perfect your pancake making skills as much as you do it often. Like every time I make pancake now, every Saturday, I just see a lot of improvement. I see another thing I've improved on. I learn a lot more. Like I just know, okay, not to eat it up too much so as not to end up with burnt pancakes. You just get to learn, just like practice makes perfect. So you do not need to get it right on the first pancake. I ended up using this extra milk to make another extra batch of pancakes eventually. Another key thing to note while making your pancake is you do not want the consistency to be too runny. If it's too runny, then you end up with a very flat pancake. But if you want it to be thick, then try not to make your pancake mix too runny. To make sure to not end up with a runny pancake mix, what you need to do is add the liquid slowly. Do not add all liquid at once. Add it bit by bit as you go until you end up with the perfect consistency that you need. So now we're done with mixing our pancake. I'm going to cover it and set it aside for some minutes, about 5 minutes, while I prep my pan. After setting it aside, I'm just going to place my pan on the cooker or medium heat and allow it to heat up before I add my vegetable oil. You can use butter if you like, but I just go ahead and use vegetable oil. So put my pan and then I add pancakes after about 1 minute. I add my pancake mix in pot. I'm making several pancakes. I do not fry the pancake one by one. I don't care about the shape of it. I just care about the texture and the taste. So I fry about 2 or 3 on the pan at the same time. So by doing this, I end up not having a perfect circle pancake, and that is fine by me. However, if you would love to have a perfect round circle pancake, then you might need to get those pancake maker or shapers, or just fry the pancake one after the other on the pan, right in the center of the pan. You need to get that circle that you like. So when you add the quantity of pancakes that you want on the pan, you wait for the pancake to cook. When you start seeing bubbles peeking through the top of the pancake, then you know it is ready to be flipped over and it's perfectly cooked on the other side. So when you flip it over, you allow it to cook for the same number of minutes that it has cooked on the other side, and then pancake is ready. I love my pancakes with slightly golden brown, oh Lord, and slightly crispy on the edges, you guys. This is just how I love it. And look at it. Can you see how soft it feels? Even from the visuals, you can see that it is soft. Oh, you guys.